Look at this hot dog guy. He's sticking his hands inside the hot dog tray to warm his stinking hands. Look at him. Oh my God. Now look at this, guys. He's taking out the old hot dogs, put it in a bag, and he was going to save them for the next day, but a customer came to want to buy it. Watch this. Look, he's sticking his hands in the bun warmer. Oh, he had his phone in the bun warmer. Nice. Very nice. He was ready to close up. He was going to put the hot dogs in a bag and save it for the next day. You eat day-old hot dogs. Oh my God. I can't. Where do you think these guys go to the bathroom? I'm a limo driver, and it's hard for me to find places to go. And this guy, at least I can park my car and lock it. These guys can't lock up their cart. Oh my God. It's disgusting. I would never eat from this place. I've been working in the city for years. I wouldn't eat at one of these places. You can't believe this. Oh my God, disgusting. He was putting the hot dogs away until people came, they wanted to buy it. He was ready to close up. You're going to get day-old hot dogs every day. Man, oh man. They have no. That's why they call them dirty water dogs. Because that water is dirty. That must be where they urinate. Because they ain't going to the bathroom anywhere else. Damn. Oh my God. People are eating that crap. God bless them. Alright, folks. One of the coldest days. The day before Christmas Eve. It's 9 degrees out in Radio City. 9 degrees in Radio City. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.